10 years ago, wala namang ganitong technology, walang internet. 10 years ago, ang reporters ng ABS would just come to General Santos and report on stories. Sila ang gagawa ng lahat, sila yung pupunta sa mga bahay-bahay at ire-report ang mga storya. Ngayon, nagbago na ang mundo. Sinasabi nga nila, the world has grown flat. It's a flat world, meaning ang pinaka-indication na flat world ito, mismo ang ABS-CBN. The world has changed, ang balita, hinahanap kayo. Dahil kayo, you're very mobile, you've grown very discriminating, you have multiple choices from your internet to your mobile alerts to your probably some magazines or newspapers. We are reaching out to you and the news is reaching out to you, and that's the reason we're here. Because journalism is expanding its own world to include inexperienced, untrained, unskilled citizen journalists like you are. So ang mga reporters kagaya ni Atom Araulio, for example, kailangan natututo rin siya na mag-social networking sites. Whereas before, ang reporter lang nagbabalita at nakiki-interview. Ngayon, he has to know how to use his or her camera. She has to know how to deal with technology and tinker with it. This now brings us to our situation now. And the reason we're here now is really, these are the facts. Kaya lang medyo malabo. So, isa-cite ko sa inyo kung gaano ang sitwasyon sa Pilipinas ngayon. There are 3.6 million Filipinos who watch video clips every day. And that's the reality. If they're not watching TV Patrol or Bandila, probably they're watching, they're on YouTube. There are 2.3 million Filipinos who have downloaded a podcast in 2008. So which means we now have a wider, more diverse audience.